Ever fly down a mountain at 90 miles per hour? Or dance on knives across ice? Or jump through the air the length of a football field? For Olympic athletes, that's everyday training. But for the rest of us, there's the Visa 360 Cam. It's the first mobile app that brings wearable technology, mobile capabilities, and interactive 360 video together to get fans close to the athletes the way only Visa can, and reinforce the brand positioning everywhere you want to be. It all started with the athletes. We rigged them up with as many cameras as we could, then we turned them loose to do what they do best. We took that footage and stitched together a panoramic 360-degree sphere that works with your device's gyroscope. By tilting and moving your mobile device, you can control the camera's perspective. Look up, look down, look behind, to the side. You'll see what the athlete sees and hear what goes through their mind as they train for the Winter Games. By toggling between 360 face and follow cams, users get new perspectives on Olympic training. Even the athletes were surprised. They were able to see things they had never seen before. And fans reacted in kind. In just 30 days, over 300,000 downloaded the app. It was a front-page feature on the iTunes Store. And then it went global. In over 100 countries, from Canada to Japan to Russia, and places like Google Creative Sandbox, CNET, South by Southwest, Twitter, VKontact, and Weibo. People talked about the 360 experience. But most importantly, it created a real connection between Olympics followers and the athletes, and gave fans a taste of what it's like to be everywhere you want to be.